What if the biggest compliment Jannik Sinner received this year did not come from a coach or a former champion? It came from world number 1 Arya Sabalenka, and most tennis fans completely missed it. Here is why her answer says so much about Sinner's game. During a YouTube interview, Sabalenka was asked a simple question: Sinner or Alcaraz? For most players, that's a difficult question. They usually avoid picking one because both are active rivals at top of the sport. But Sabalenka answered honestly. She said she naturally prefers Jannik Sinner because his style is very similar to hers. She explained that both of them have a powerful forehand, a strong backhand, a big serve, and an aggressive mindset. That may sound like a normal answer, but it actually tells us something important. When the best woman player in the world says she sees her own game in Sinners, she recognizing the complete package that makes him so difficult to beat. This wasn't the first time Sabalenka spoke highly of Sinner. After the heartbreaking 25 French Open final, where Sinner lost after leading by 2 sets and holding championship points, Sabalenka admitted she felt sorry for him. Later at Wimbledon, she said she was cheering for Sinner because she knew how painful that loss must have been. That's more than just respect. It's one champion understanding what another champion is going through. Then came the biggest test. Earlier this year, Sinner faced intense criticism during his doping case. Many players stayed quiet. In an interview with Pierre Morgan, she said she did not believe Sinner had intentionally done anything wrong, while also making it clear that every player should be treated equally and that she supported clean sport. Speaking up during such a controversial moment wasn't the easy choice, yet she did it anyway. When you put all these moments together, a clear pattern appears. Sabalenka respects Sinner's game, understands his struggle, and believes in his character. She also praised Carlos Alcaraz, calling him an incredible mover with amazing court vision and constant improvement. But when she talked about the player whose style match her own, she chose Sinner. Why? Because his game has very few weaknesses. He serves well, he attacks from both wings, he plays aggressively, and he rarely gives opponent an easy point. That's exactly the type of player Sabalenka has spent her own career trying to become. Maybe that's why she recognized his greatness so quickly. Sometimes the best analysis doesn't come from a coach or a commentator. It comes from another world-class champion who understands exactly what it takes to reach on the top. What do you think? Is Jannik Sinner currently the most complete player in men's tennis? Or do you still believe Carlos Alcaraz is ahead? Let me know in the comment. And if you enjoyed tennis stories that go beyond the headlines, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.